Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you programs on looping constructs. So let's start. So this is the program number 1. Write a Python program to find sum of first n natural number given by user. Say user enter the value 5. It means we have to find out the addition of first 5 natural numbers, that is addition of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is 15. Now we'll write the Python program. First of all, n equals to int of input of enter the number up to which you want the sum of first n natural numbers. Say the user has entered the value of n equals to 5. So definitely the output in this case that will be 15. Here we are initializing the value 0 to sum. For I in range of 1, n plus 1, so the value of n is 5. So range of 1, n plus 1 will become 1, 6. And range of 1, 6, it will give you the values of I from 1 to 6 minus 1, and that is 5. So the value of I will become from 1 to 5. Now sum equals to sum plus I. Here we have initialized the value of sum, that is equals to 0. And initially the value of I equals to what? That is 1. So sum equals to 0 plus 1. So here the sum will become 1. Now for the next iteration I will become 2, and the value of sum, that is equals to what? 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now 3 will be stored in this variable, that is sum. And this process will be repeated till the value of I equals to 5. And finally we will be having addition of all the values of 1 to 5. So at last we will print sum, that is print sum is sum. Now I will show you the output. See output. Enter the number up to which you want the sum of first n natural numbers, say 5. So what will be the output in this case? That is addition of first 5 natural numbers from 1 to 5. So definitely that is sum is 15. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, in PyCharm I have already written this code. Now I will just run this program by clicking on this run button. Then after again click on run button. Now select the file name. You can see that the file name is sum of first n natural numbers. So I will just click on sum of first n natural numbers. Now enter the number up to which you want the sum, say 5. Now enter, you will get sum is 15. Again I am running this program by taking different value of n. See here the file name is sum of first n natural numbers. So now I will run this program from here. Just click on this run button. Enter the value up to which you want the sum. Say that is 10. Now what is the addition of first 10 natural numbers? That is 55. Now we will see second program. This is program number 2. Write a Python program that prints all the numbers from 0 to 6 except 3 and 6. So here is the solution. First of all we will write down for I in range 0, 7. Here the value of I will become from 0 to 7 minus 1, that is 0 to 6. Now this is the if condition inside this for loop. If I equals to 0, initially the value of I will become 0, so definitely this one will be executed. So it will print I, so it will print the value of 0. Now elif I modular division 3 equals to 0. See, 0 modular division 3, that is equals to 0, that is again true. But before this one, already this condition is satisfied over here and 0 is printed. So it won't go in this condition. Now pass statement. What pass statement will do? Whenever the value of I modular division 3 equals to 0. Here in our case, the value of I ranges from 0 to 6. So for 0, 3 and 6, this condition is true, so it will do nothing. But over here, for I equals to 0, we are printing the value of I. It means we are printing the value of 0. So this one statement will be executed only for the values of I equals to 3 and I equals to 6. So whenever the value of I will become 3 and 6, it won't do anything. Else print I. See, initially if the value of I equals to 0, then this statement will be executed. So it will print 0. Then after it will go to the next iteration, and for I equals to 1, here the condition is false. 1 modular division 3, it will give you 1. So this is also false. So else statement will be executed, so 1 will be printed. Now for the next value of I, that is 2, 2 equals to 0 is false. So this one won't be executed. Similarly, 2 modular division 3, that is equals to 0, again this is false. So else statement will be executed, that is 2 will be printed. Now for the next iteration, I equals to 3, this condition will be satisfied and pass will not do anything. Now for I equals to 4, print I will be executed. For I equals to 5, print I will be executed. For I equals to 6, 6 modulo division 3, that is equals to 0, it is satisfied but it won't do anything. So finally we will be having required output, that is 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program in PyCharm for you. Now I will just run this program. Just click on this run button. Again click on this run button. Select the file name. The file name is print all numbers between 0 to 6. So print all numbers between 0 to 6. Click on this one. Now you can see the output. See, we have 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now we will see program number 3. Program number 3, write a Python program to find the reverse of a number provided by the user. Say if the user entered 23, so output will be 32. Okay, so what is the logic behind it? What we will do, we will just apply the modulo operator on 23. So we will just separate 3 and 2. And then after we will apply the division operator. So if we will apply modulo division on 23, you will get 3. Then after multiply 3 by 10, you will get 30, and divide 23 by 10, consider integer value, that is 2, and add 2 to 30, you will get 32. So this is the logic behind this program. Now we will see Python code. Num equals to int of input of enter a number. Here the user will enter a number. Now we are taking this variable, that is reverse underscore num equals to 0. Initially we are taking 0 in this variable. Now while num is not equals to 0, digit equals to num modular division 10. Now reverse underscore num equals to reverse underscore num multiplied by 10 plus digit. Num equals to num divided by 10. Num, this symbol 2 times equals to 10. It is nothing but num equals to num divided by 10. If you divide say 23 by 10, you will get 2.3. But here by applying this operator, you will get integer value, that is equals to 2. At last print reverse number comma reverse underscore num. I will make you understand this logic with the help of example, and I have given the example in the output. See, what is the output? See, enter a number 532. So what will be the output in this case? That will be the reverse of this number, that is 235. So you can see that reverse number, that is equals to what? 235. See, here num, that is equals to what? 532. The user has entered the num, that is 532, and initially we have taken reverse underscore num, that is equals to 0. Now here 532 is not equals to 0, so the condition is satisfied, so it will go into this loop. Now 532 modular division 10, it will give you remainder, so that is 2 in this case. So in the digit 2 will be stored. Now we are taking reverse underscore num, that is equals to reverse underscore num multiplied by 10 plus digit. Initially reverse underscore num, its value is 0. If you multiply 0 by 10, you will get 0, and the value of digit, that is what? 2. So 0 plus 2, it will give you 2. Now 2 will be stored in reverse underscore num. Now we will divide number by 10. So 532 divided by 10, it will give you integer value 53. Now 53 is not equals to 0. Now digit equals to 53 modular division 10, so it will give you 3. So the value of digit will become 3. Now reverse underscore num, that is equals to reverse underscore num. Here the value of reverse underscore num, that is 2. Now multiply 2 by 10, so it will give you 20, and 20 plus 3. The value of digit is 3, so it will give you 23. Now in reverse underscore num, we have 23. Now we will divide number by 10. Now the number is 53. If we will divide 53 by 10, you will get 5. So again it will come into the loop. 5 is not equals to 0. So digit, that is equals to 5 modular division 10. So 5 modular division 10, it will give you 5. So the value of digit is 5. Here the value of digit is 5, and in reverse underscore num we have 23. So 23 multiplied by 10, it will give you 230. 230 plus 5, it will give you 235. So reverse underscore num, that is equals to what? 235. And what is the value of num in this case? That is 5. Now 5 divided by 10, it will give you 0. Now it will come into the loop. 0 is not equals to 0 is false. So it will come out of the loop, and then after it will execute this statement, that is reverse number, and reverse number will be printed. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same code in PyCharm for you. Now I will run this program by clicking on this run button. Again click on this run button. Now what is the file name? That is reverse number. Just click on reverse number. Here enter a number, say 563. So what is the reverse number? That is 365. So in today's lecture, we have seen programs on looping constructs. We have seen 2 programs based on for loop and 1 program based on while loop. Thank you for watching this video.